In this video, I'll show you how to download TikTok on your iPhone. TikTok is a popular app for watching short videos, creating content, following creators, and sharing videos with friends. You can download it directly from the App Store on your iPhone. To get started, unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the search bar at the top and type TikTok. Then tap Search on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official TikTok app. Make sure the app name is TikTok and the developer is TikTok Limited, or the official TikTok publisher shown in your region. Once you find the correct app, tap Get. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Confirm the download and wait for TikTok to install on your iPhone. The download time may depend on your internet connection, so make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have enough mobile data. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. You can also find the TikTok app on your home screen or in the app library. When TikTok opens, you can sign in to an existing account or create a new one. You may also be asked to allow permissions such as notifications, camera, microphone, or photos. You can allow these permissions if you want to record videos, upload content, or receive notifications from TikTok. And that's it. TikTok is now downloaded and ready to use on your iPhone. If you don't see TikTok in the App Store, it may not be available in your country or region, so you may need to check your App Store settings or availability. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.